G'day YouTube, how you going? You'll have to excuse the camera work today. I've forgot my camera, so I'm using my phone. Just looking at me off-grid, grid tie here. It's only putting out about 2400 to 2300 watts. Now I've got 4000 watts of panels on the roof. And it's about lunchtime, and that's the day. And there's no shading happening at the moment. So I've got the ladder there. What I'm going to do is go up on the roof and give the panels a wash, just to see what sort of a difference it makes, and then I'll come back and have a look. Back soon. So I'm just up on the roof. Panels don't look too bad. As you can see, there's no shading or anything happening. But I've got the hose on, so I'll give them a quick wash and we'll see how it goes. Righto, so I've just washed the panels, and it might not be much, but straight away we've got about a 200 watt difference. It only took me like 5 minutes to wash the panels down. Sun hasn't moved that much, so that's about it. I suppose 200 watts over the course of a day can make a bit of difference. Yesterday I made about 21,000, so I'll see what it is today at the end of the day, see if it's made a difference or not. Hopefully it has. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching, just a short little update. Catch you later.